Alright everyone, and welcome to GIT 314. Just a short video, there's a lot of videos here. Just a short videos for you guys to introduce myself and to show you a little bit how it works out in the class. Okay? If you have any problem with my accent, there's a little CC at the bottom of the video you can click on and you will see the closed capture of it. It's very simple. But you'll get used to my accent pretty quickly, actually. I will try to slow down as much as I can. I have tendency to speak fast. Now, it works like that. You have 6 weeks. It's separated in 6 weeks, right? You have a little bit more than 6 weeks, but mine is separated in 6 weeks. All right. That's how I work it out. Let me go back to the content. And it's separated mainly in a couple production right here. You can see it in the schedule. All right. In week 1, you will do. You will start your briefing. Basically about what type of project you're going to do and why, storyboard and so forth. Okay, as well introduce yourself. So you have to do a bunch of homeworks, assignments 1, 2, 3, very simple. All right, and then after that, you basically describe what you're going to do. You're going to fetch out all those informations. All right, so all the graphics and the art assets that are needed to create that small production, that internet banner, you are going to go fetch them, look for them, create them, and bring them back into After Effects. Okay. At the same time, you will start learning After Effects. You have chapters. You will have assignment 4 due on 903, as you can see. In week 3, this is the production of it. In week 2, you gather all the assets. From week 1, production brief. And in week 3, you basically start producing, meaning you're going to animate, move text, move graphics, make them come in smaller, bigger, you know what I'm saying. So that's what's going to happen in week 3. All right. Then week 4, you're going to start another production, but this one on a larger scale. You're going to do an advertisement that is around 1 minute. And when I say 1 minute, it could be 59 seconds. It could be a minute 1, but try to keep it a minute, actually, is better for what we want to do. That's a lot more work, and you will start doing the briefing in week 4, and you will, in week 5, gather all the advertisement, and week 6, you'll produce that advertisement. The good thing is that I'm giving you plenty of time to finalize it. That's why it's only 6 weeks instead of 7, the way it's set up, because I'm giving you more time at some places to be able to produce your work. Okay, that's pretty much how it works. Okay, you guys? My name is Arno Egner. You've seen that in the other videos. You can get in touch with me by just doing arno.egner@asu.edu. That's the best way for personal questions. All right? Don't email me questions that are general, just like when is the assignment due? That's not to be asked by email. Because other students might have the same question, and so they want an answer too. So you need to post that on the forum. That's why I have forum. The forum is made for that, for general questions. Personal question would be, I'm sick. Can I have what can I do, or things that you don't understand that are more administrative and personal to you. If you have a question about the software or how to do something, post it on the forum, because like that I can answer it, and other students like you that have the same question can also get an answer, and that makes a little life to the class, basically. If not, nobody talk to anyone. Okay, it's much better like that. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna do After Effects. It's really easy, not to worry, frankly. We start from the ground up on the book, so you'll have no problem with that, even if you've never even opened After Effects. Okay, I'm not expecting anyone to know After Effects, but if you know After Effects, I'm expecting you to do a much better job, to go in more depth into the tools and give me a more technical and more complicated work. Okay? That's pretty much it for that. You need to get going ASAP because you have assignment 1, 2, and 3 due on the 27th. Alright? 1 and 2 is easy. Alright, you will see that. It'll take a couple of minutes. There's really nothing to it. It's more about you and telling me who you are, so I can kind of design the class for you every time I talk to you and interact with you. 3 is the actual brief, and be careful, there is an actual storyboard that needs to be done in 3, which is in the last part of the assignment 3, and I want good work. So some people tell me, yeah, but I don't know to draw, and so no big deal. If you don't know to draw, take pictures of what you want, All right, then put them in Photoshop and detour them, contour them, you know what I'm saying, and then color them yourself. It's really easy and gives really good results. Okay, so I hope you'll have fun, you guys. I'm always ready to help you guys. I'm always around. I check the form 2 or 3 times at least a day, even on Sundays most likely. Okay, but not. Saturday will be a harder day to get me because I do research most of the time on Saturday this fall. So it'll be a little harder for me to get in touch with you on Saturdays. But that's pretty much it. Okay, take it easy. Have a good one, guys.